Got a great image but it's ruined by a watermark? No worries, today I'll show you how to remove watermarks from any photo in just a few clicks. We'll be using an AI-powered tool called AVCLabs photopro AI today. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and does all the magic for you. In Paint is one of the most powerful features of AVCLabs photopro AI. Whether it is removing text, logos, corner buoys, or annoying date stamps, it can be easily dealt with. Let's take a look at a comparison of photos before and after processing. You can see that the original watermarked part has been naturally removed. It provides a preview so you can see the effect improvement. Next, let's show you the easy process. First, open the software and import the photos you need to process. Then click the In Paint in the left menu, and select the part you want to remove the watermark. Finally, click Apply and AI will automatically complete the rest of the work. Let's preview it. Perfect! It's very suitable for removing watermarks. Save you time and effort. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart editing tips.